The National Weather Service in Pocatello has issued a snow squall warning for southwestern Fremont County in southeastern Idaho, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Idaho, northwestern Bannock County in southeastern Idaho, central Power County in southeastern Idaho, northwestern Bonneville County in southeastern Idaho, western Madison County in southeastern Idaho, central Bingham County in southeastern Idaho, until 8:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:28 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Lennon to near Fort Hall Bannock Creek Lodge, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. Travel around and between Rexburg, Idaho Falls, Enel, Blackfoot, Fort Hall, Pocatello, and American Falls could be treacherous. Locations impacted include Idaho Falls, Pocatello, Rexburg, Blackfoot, American Falls, Rigby, American Falls Reservoir, Neely, Lorenzo, Goshen, Chubbuck, Ammon, Shelley, Aberdeen, Iona, Sugar City, Yukon, Hincomb, Menem, and Roberts. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.